Stop buying ranch dressing. Today, I'm showing you how to make a creamy homemade ranch that's fresh, tastier, and takes just a minute to make. Good for sandwiches and salads. I am Dom, and this is how I make my homemade ranch. We start by mincing our garlic for bold flavor and freshness. Next, we add our mayonnaise, which creates a rich and creamy base. Then comes the sour cream for tanginess and extra creaminess. The buttermilk gives ranch its classic tangy flavor and smooth consistency. Using a hand whisk, mix everything together until smooth and uniformly combined. This helps create a silky texture and ensures every ingredient is properly incorporated. Now we season with salt, black pepper, minced garlic, and onion powder. Salt enhances all flavors. Black pepper adds a subtle kick and depth. Onion powder brings mild sweetness and a savory flavor. Now we add our freshly chopped parsley. Next comes our chopped dill. Mix one final time until all the herbs are uniformly distributed. Parsley adds freshness, color, and a clean herbaceous flavor. Dill gives ranch dressing its classic signature flavor and aroma. If you don't have buttermilk, simply mix 120 grams of milk with 8 grams of lemon juice. Let it sit for 5 minutes and it's ready to use. Keep the dressing in chiller for 30 minutes to 1 hour before serving. This allows the flavors to develop and blend together beautifully. Now, for the moment of truth, drizzle the ranch dressing over your favorite salad. Toast gently and plate beautifully. Look at that creamy coating on every bite. Bon appetit. Check out my playlist for more amazing recipes. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till we meet in the next one, peace out.